Good morning, grow friends. I'm about to start some of my planting for direct sowing in terms of summertime. It is July 21st, so I just want to show you guys what I'm still planting in my garden with the heat in mind. These are some things you can still plant outside. Even if you do them in trays, you can still do it outside with the next 6 weeks in mind, which is going to be like beginning of September, mid-September. These are the summer focused things that I'm still sowing, that I'm hoping for a harvest for in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Then we have the things that I'm sowing seeds for indoors, which is more fall focused, and they cannot take the heat, so they cannot be started outside. So that's a whole separate bunch of seeds that we will be getting into. But for now, let me show you what you can still sow in zone 6B, 7A at the end of July. So we are going to do our heat-tolerant lettuces. These can take the heat. They tend to not bolt. They are not bitter. These are amazing. I've been using them all summer. We made it through all the heat waves and amazing. Nevada is this one in this blend, and I happened to see the pack at Walmart and I just bought it because I was like, oh, it's working amazing. Let me get more of that, okay? Deer tongue, I just started it, but it's growing through the heat wave, so that tells me it does take high heat temps. I also have Jericho, which I forgot inside, but Jericho is a romaine, and that is also have been amazing. I got that also from Renee's garden. So a few more leaves that we are going to be growing is some red leaf callaloo or amaranth, some astral arugula, basil leaf lettuce, mammoth basil, and kitchen Italian pesto basil. So pretty much we're growing more basils. They grow really fast. They don't like the cold. So these next 4 to 5, 6 weeks, they'll be perfect for you to still be harvesting off of while you wait to let your other plants out. I'm gonna do this container variety of corn. I've been growing it for maybe like this will be my 3rd year. I wasn't sure I was gonna do it. I'm trying to find space for it. I don't want floor space, but I'm thinking to put them in the window boxes. But yes, if you do find a corn with a short day to maturity, definitely grow it. I'm growing a short day cucumber, but you can also do other cucumbers. We're gonna be doing a summer squash, also short day to maturity. And we're also gonna be doing beans, 2 bush beans, and I'm gonna be doing a yard-long bean, 80 days. I have about 100 days or so left in my growing season, so I could definitely grow these. But the bush beans are way faster to days to maturity. Get your beans in. And then for flowers that I'm doing direct sowing right now outside, it's gonna be my zinnias, but these are all small varieties. If you can see, container, thumbelina. This is a dwarf, 45 days, a dwarf sunflower. These will make it into fall. So yeah, definitely grow these flowers. I'm gonna also start some pansies and stuff inside for them to make it through like the winter months when these die out and the frost take these. I want those to be tagged and they will be the ones doing it. So those are gonna be indoor. Again, I'll probably make a second video showing you guys what I'm planting in July indoors. So these are our outdoors. Let me know if this video helped, and let me know what's going on in your garden. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because what? We grow together. See you guys on the next one.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next episode.